everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, I'm Cheyenne with the Rosevine Cottage Girls, and today we are back at freeze drying, and this time we're going to be doing asparagus. Come on, I'll show you how. Okay, so first up we're going to cut the ends off of these, and you want them up kind of where they're tender. Then we are going to take these and cut them in half at an angle and just lay them out on our sheets. So we're going to go ahead and pop these in the freezer so they can pre-freeze while our freeze dryer is defrosting. So we're just going to go ahead and fill up these trays. Let's go a little less. To come up a little bit higher. Save the scraps, they're great for chickens. Or your compost pile if you don't have chickens. There we go. Those out of the way. Cut them in half. Typically you're going to get better results from the little skinny asparagus than you will the nice fat ones when you're freeze drying them. Cut in half. That is one bag. So I got about a whole bag on this one tray. So if you're wanting to do an entire load, keep that in mind. Alright, so we've got another tray here we're going to fill up, and each bag is about a pound of asparagus. I'm just going to keep cutting off the ends and then cutting them in half until you have all of your asparagus processed or your trays full. Alright, so our asparagus is pre-frozen, and it's best to do this probably about 24 hours before you're going to throw them in, but we usually just do a couple hours. We load it in our freeze dryer, and then you're just going to hit start and it'll do its thing. Alright, so we have our freeze-dried asparagus here, and they're nice and crisp. Kind of feel almost like styrofoam, and they are ready to package up. Look how beautiful these are. Just preserves them so well. We're going to keep them in a glass jar. This is just a canning jar with an oxygen absorber in the bottom, and then we'll vacuum seal this closed to pull out any oxygen in there. And it is ready to go in our pantry. Look at that. Alright, so you would just add a little hot water or whatever you want to rehydrate these, and then let them sit, and they will rehydrate, and then they are ready to use, and they'll be delicious. Alright, so you can use this canning jar method, or you can go opt for a Mylar bag. Either one is perfectly fine. You're just going to attach this like that. This is a Food Saver vacuum sealer. This is a jar attachment that we bought separately. You can get these on Amazon. I'll link to them in the description along with Mylar bags and everything else you need for this. So you're just going to hit the on button. Nice and sealed. It's not coming loose. This does not replace canning, so don't get any ideas. I like to keep a ring on ours just so nothing accidentally pops an edge open and unseals it, and it's ready to go in the pantry just like that. It is so pretty. I love how you can see exactly what it is. Really beautiful. Alright, thank you for joining us for another freeze drying adventure. We'll see you again next time.